Okay, got the wings muffler installed. Pretty straightforward. Again, I've got a 2018 KTM 690 Enduro model. I've already got a pairing rack, so rather than take the whole rack off, I removed a couple bolts. This bolt on top and the side plastic bolt. And I, had enough play here to lift up to get the big muffler bracket hole. And my recommendation is if you don't have any tail rack already set up, just as easy probably if you took their entire rear front fender off. That way you can easily work with the bracket and see what you're doing. A lot less narrower and shorter profile. I can tell from previously I had a Moscow heat shield. I think the other muffler probably came out a couple inches more. So I'm gonna give it a try for the sound test real quick, and you guys can be the judge. Unfortunately, I've only got one hand and a camera, so let's see what it does. I'll make it the dash to come up. All right, well, let me get on the other side. Fire up that muffler real quick. Well, without a doubt, not as quiet, but it's got a good sound. It feels like it's flowing air better, and they say it's going to be cooler.